Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can get our freebies, or if you want to buy something in our store, I'm going to show you how you can do that and how you can download it to your computer. If you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to let you know is just go to the shop here at the top of the menu here. Just click on shop. That will bring you to our store where everything will be categorized by its latest release. So all of the new releases are always at the top. In the first 7 days, everything is on sale for half off, with the exception of our kit, which is already priced really, really low. So if you are interested in getting anything, I would encourage you to get it at the first of the month, usually when things are half off. Otherwise, everything in our store is included in our Momentum membership, and then you just don't have to come in here and buy things. You can just download it to your heart's desire in our membership site. And if you want to get the freebies or anything you want to purchase, all you need to do is go ahead and look at what you're interested in, and just go ahead and click it. So let's say I wanted to order this mini kit here. I would just go ahead and click it so I can take a look at it, see, make sure it's what I want. In here it tells you what you're getting. This is the Uncovering Your +1 Mini Bible Journaling Kit. It's currently at $0. Because that's our mini kit, we give it away every month for free. You have the full month to get it for free, and then after that it goes for sale for $1.99. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to my cart by clicking the Add to Cart button. And then I can view my cart by clicking this button here that says View My Cart, or I could go up here and click the little shopping cart that looks like a little cart, and that will show you what's in my cart. I can see everything that I'm currently purchasing. Let's say I want to add something else. I can go ahead and go back to the shop and go ahead and look at other things. Now, everything, again, like I said, is sorted by the newest release, but you can sort by price, low to high, high to low, by popularity, by average rating. You can sort by any of that. You can also come get our best sellers. The categories on the side you can click. We have some courses, we have some devotional bundles. Those are the $7 kits. We've got the individual kits that are usually, I refer to them as the Momentum bonus files, digital paper, stamps, alpha, all kinds of things that you can just purchase if you want to. And then let's say you wanted to look at this one, the Psalm 51 kit. You could just go ahead and click on that, and that would bring it up, and then you could, kind of hover over it and look at the images really close. If you want to kind of see what's all included in the kit, you could go ahead and do that. You can also read more in the description as you just kind of go down. Again, nothing is sent via mail. Everything is downloadable. So if you are interested in this product, you would just add it to your cart. But let's just go for the freebies today. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my cart by hitting the little cart button. And then I see everything is free. So that is great. I don't have to get my credit card out because nothing is going to be charged. I'm going to go ahead and put my information in at the checkout and make sure that I am all good. So I'm going to go ahead and add my details. Anything with a star is required. So I'm just checking out all these things: zip code, phone number, address. And then I'm going to go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure that you just click on terms and conditions to open up this box. If you'd like to read all of the terms and conditions, I highly encourage you to do so. Click the check mark after you have read it and agreed to it, and then place your order. And it just takes a few minutes to process your order, so just be a little bit patient with it. It's just a system from a small business here. All right, once you've clicked that button and it has received your order, it'll say order received, and then it will go ahead and give you some downloads and how many downloads you have remaining. We have an order number, the day, your email. If you want to download your item, just go ahead and click that button, Uncovering Your +1 Mini Bible Journaling Kit. Give it a minute. It will download it to your computer, mostly in your download section. And go ahead, and once you get that downloaded, you can open it. Here it's in my Chrome browser, so I will go ahead and just click that. But if it's not in your Chrome browser, it will be in your downloads folder most likely, or wherever else you download your items to. So there it is, and it's ready to be printed out and ready to go. You also have order details here, and again, your billing address. Now, if for some reason you close this page and you would like to come back and download your items. So let's say I close out this page. I'm going to go back to Bible Journaling Ministries, and I don't download it here. Let's say I don't bother downloading it. Okay. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your account. So if you want to look at any of your past purchases, if you want to look at anything maybe you've bought just recently or any of that, go ahead and click this one here that says My Account. Don't click in Momentum Members Login because that's for our Momentum members, but you'll just click here to My Account and wait for it to come up. You'll log in. If it's not you, you can log out. I'll just log out real quickly just so you can see how to log in. All right, so if you go here at any point in time, you go to My Account and then you're going to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in with my credentials. I'm going to go ahead and black this out because they're my credentials. All right, and then once you are logged in, you can go to your dashboard, you can go to your previous orders, you can go see all the downloads, and that's what we're really interested in. So I'm going to go ahead and click my downloads button here, and now you can see I've actually ordered this kit one too many times, but I can download it and have all kinds of fun with it. So again, you see the product that I've ordered here. So in this product, I've got, it looks like there's two, but there really isn't two things. There's the Uncovering Your Plus One mini Bible journaling kit, and then we have our terms and conditions that we include with everything. So if you want to read about the terms and conditions that you agreed to, you can go ahead and download that up to 5 times. And then you can also download any of your purchased items. And I've actually done this tutorial twice already, so I have a couple other ones here as well. So this is the place where you just go to click that button that says download, and then you can download whatever you ordered, see it, print it out on sticker paper, and just have a lot of fun growing in the Word creatively. I hope this was really helpful to you, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.